Hey guys, welcome back to TechTube and I hope you guys are alright. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to clear your watch history into Crunchyroll. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now you have watched something that you are not supposed to into your Crunchyroll and you want to delete the history, but you don't know how. So I'm going to guide you. First of all, you have to open your Crunchyroll application, and after opening the Crunchyroll application, just simply go into this My List option into here. And after going into the My List option, you will see bunch of options into here, and into here you just simply have to click into this history option and you will get all of your watch histories into this tab. You will also get this manage option at the top right side. Just simply click into that manage option and then you will get this clear history option. Just simply click to this clear history option and confirm the clear history, and then your history will be deleted. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.